Very often, clients will contact me after someone reported them to Child Protective Services and ask if they have any rights. If you get confronted or contacted by Child Protective Services, they will often portray it as a situation where you have no rights, but in fact you do. You have absolutely no obligation to let Child Protective Services into your house. Child Protective Services has no right to come into your house absent a court order or a warrant. Similarly, the police who may be with Child Protective Services have absolutely no right to come into your house without a search warrant or a court order. Now, if you refuse to let Child Protective Services in, they may go to court, in particular family court, and file something called an Article 10 petition, in which they will be able to perhaps obtain an order to allow them into your home. These decisions should not be made lightly, and it's important that you speak to an attorney who's familiar with Child Protective Services, and in particular with Child Protective Services cases and family court actions, before making a decision how you're going to proceed. Often a lawyer who's experienced in these types of cases can run interference between you and Child Protective Services and perhaps negotiate a reasonable outcome to the situation. The minute you get contacted by Child Protective Services, you should try to reach out to an attorney who has such experience.